Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. So my dear student, look at the board. Today's topic is a butterfly with color. Though I have given your class before, now this is your RW class. Look, I have already drawn a box. You will follow this drawing now. First, you divide this box by a straight line. Okay. For the straight line, then you will draw a tiny circle and give two curved line and draw this and erase this line. Okay. Then you will give the butterflies this. Now draw like this. Again from here you like this. After that you will erase this box. And again draw this and give some lines. And after that you will give these two curved lines. So my dear student, I have finished the drawing. Now I will say you how to color this picture. Look at the board. I have already colored the butterfly for you. This is very easy. Look at the board. I just use here 1, 2, 3 color. That 3 or 4 colors. I have used here first yellow and left this circle white. Okay, I have left this circle white. You also won't color this. Here I have used light blue color. And on this portion I have used first ocean blue color, and on this corner I have used some deep blue color, and here I have used orange color, and this portion I have used first brown color, and here I have used yellow, light yellow, and here I have used also brown color, and give some black black tiny circle. Okay. So my dear student, this is very easy topic to you. I hope you all have understood my today's class. If you practice more and more at your home, then your butterfly also looks like this and better than this. So my dear student, practice at your home no more today. Thank you.